I am hot. I am hot. I am ready to do a video. Menopause crept up and I am just hot, hot, hot. But we are going to rock and roll with this thing. Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. Today I am going to do a different video. I was going to play with this palette, but then there is something that I need to do. There is something I need to do that the colors are not in this palette. I was like, no, I'll just keep playing with this and I will do the next video another time, and it just keep tugging on my hat. So I decided I'm going to pick up the Blend Bunny Cosmetic palette, and it does have the colors that I need to do that video for, so I am going to play with it. If you want to see what I'm talking about, just keep watching. It always ends up good. I surprise myself and you at the end of every video. Keep watching. I thought I was recording. I am not recording. I am doing this purple look. I really thought I was recording. I was not recording at all, so I will just repeat what I was saying all along. I am doing this purple look for fibromyalgia. I decided this morning when I show up at my little makeup place, I was going to use the avocado toast palette to do my look today. But then the fibromyalgia one that I did write down a while back kept tugging on me. So I said, okay, I'm gonna still play with the avocado toast, but when I sit down, it just won't leave me. So I was like, you know what? You've been listening to yourself. Keep listening. So I'm like, okay, fibromyalgia video, we are doing it today. Even though this is not the month that they celebrated, this video needs to be out there because somebody else needs to see it and hear it and know that they are special, they are beautiful, they are important, no matter what ailment you have. You are important in this world. So I'm gonna do an all purple look, a little purple affair for friends and family that I have who have fibromyalgia. So I'm using Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I'm trying to say their name right because I keep calling them Blends Bunny, which is incorrect. It's a Blend Bunny Cosmetics. So I'm gonna use their palette because they have all the purples that I need in there to create this look. Fibromyalgia is also linked with lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. So it's a combination. So most people who have fibromyalgia will or might have lupus or rheumatoid arthritis. And all of the three of them, lupus, fibromyalgia, and the rheumatoid arthritis, their ribbons is purple. This is everything purple today. The AC is on, so I am not talking much. So I'm just applying the colors. But this is an all purple look. for fibromyalgia, lupus, and rheumatoid arthritis. All these beautiful purples. I love it, I love it, I love it. Fibromyalgia Awareness Day is May 12th. They have a purple ribbon and a purple butterfly. Lupus National Day is May 10th. They have a purple ribbon and purple butterfly. Rheumatoid Arthritis Awareness Day is February 2nd. But May is Arthritis Awareness Month. The ribbon is indigo, purple, and gold. A little bit about fibromyalgia that is on Google, and I will read that. It says, fibromyalgia is often accompanied by fatigue and altered sleep, memory, and mood. It can be treated, but there is no cure for fibromyalgia. It says fibromyalgia syndrome is mainly categorized by pain, fatigue, and sleep disruption. The etiology of fibromyalgia is still unclear. So that's why that they can treat it, but there is not a cure. What is fibromyalgia caused by? It's a fibromyalgia is often triggered by a stressful event, including physical stress or emotional, psychological stress. Possible triggers for the condition include an injury, a viral infection, according to Google. Fibromyalgia can make you extremely sensitive to pain all over your body, and you may find that even the slightest touch is painful. If you hurt yourself, such as stubbing your toe, the pain may continue for much longer than it normally would. Now I need to continue on the eye. There is a purple shimmer. I'm going to use that also because I love a little shimmer over here. So to all my family and friends who have fibromyalgia, this eye look is to show you that you are beautiful, both men and women, with fibromyalgia, with lupus, with rheumatoid arthritis. This is for you. This is to show you I care and I do love you. And you are beautiful no matter what. I know it's not the time of year for your purple ribbon, but anytime I can do something to bring a little bit of joy to someone, I will. So fibromyalgia makeup look to bring a little bit of inspiration to that sickness, disease, and rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. Spread a little joy, spread a little joy, spread a little joy to you. I am back with the look for fibromyalgia and lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. They all have that purple ribbon or butterfly. I try to tie this as close to a butterfly as possible to represent my family and friends suffering with rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and fibromyalgia. Also, to anyone watching this video, if you're suffering with any of those, I send you love. This is the look. It's all purple on purple. I know there's one of the ribbons that have a little gold in there also. So the shimmer has little speckles of gold in it. Hopefully it comes through. That's for you also. I am over here just having a ball with this. I love the idea of the purple because that's one of my favorite colors. And it signifies and it stands in awareness for a lot of serious diseases. It is a serious thing when someone is sick because health is very important. So my hat goes out to people out there who are suffering with any kind of diseases. But I just had to do this one because my sis, this one's for you. And my cousin, this one's for you. And all the friends, family, acquaintances, all the different people out there who has fibromyalgia, lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, I see you. Today's word is stand up for what you believe. Stand up for what you believe in. Sometimes you will find yourself standing alone. And that is okay if you're comfortable in your own skin. You don't have to do what everybody else is doing if you know it is wrong. Stand up for what you believe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I simply make up a saying. I love you all. I'm having fun over here, creating this beautiful, fabulous look for a cause. Here it is.